Life-saving vending machines. Aisha's at the First Alert Safety Desk. Good morning.
Good morning, Tammy.
So we've reported on these public health vending machines in our area, and now people in Winnebago County will have access to them.
That's right, and they'll be unveiled next week on Friday. I'll show you an example in just a moment, but Winnebago County public health officials say public health vending machines give even more access to helpful and potentially life-saving items. It actually comes at a good time. September is National Recovery Month, a time to support people in recovery and spread awareness. So this is your example right here of those vending machines. Outagamie County Public Health officials unveiling these in March in partnership with Grand Chute fire officials. As we've reported, in 2022, there were 29 opioid deaths involving fentanyl in Outagamie County. 10 of them happened in Grand Chute. The mission is to help combat the opioid crisis in the Fox Valley, but it's an issue all across our state, across our region. Just like those you just saw, the public health vending machines in Winnebago County will give people access to things like Narcan, to someone possibly going through an overdose, also fentanyl test strips, gun locks, medicine lock bags, feminine hygiene products, and basic need kits. And this is a free community resource. You'll call the number right there on your screen. It's 920-232-3312. You get a PIN and you use it to get access to up to 3 items from the vending machines. And the new machines in Winnebago County will be located outside the administration building. It's on Otter Avenue in Oshkosh. Also the NINA Human Services building on North Commercial Street. Again, that big unveil will be next Friday on the 20th, guys.